Hey there, everybody. So today we're going to be starting our next cycle on balanced and unbalanced forces. So you're going to have three things on your agenda for today. You're going to do your intro, your hook, and then you've got a couple of DIYs. DIY 1 is going to be your lesson and your notes, and DIY 2 is going to be your practice. So let's take a look at those and see what you have in store for today. The student resources module has been updated. So if you need notes keys, if you need help with vocabulary, if you need to go back and see what we're doing each day, all of those things have been updated. So we've got cycle 8, balanced and unbalanced forces, now at the top above cycle 7. We are now done with cycle 7. So the hook for today, you've got 3 challenges that you will do. Challenge number 1 is about balancing on 1 foot for 3 whole minutes. Challenge number 2, balancing different objects, different items into a tower. And challenge number 3 is a quizzes. So that's your introduction to see how much you already know about balanced and unbalanced forces. Once you've completed those 3 challenges, DIY 1 has a video for you to watch and learn about forces and take some notes. So you're going to look to see how do you categorize forces, how do they affect the motion of an object, and get some examples. So there is a link right here if you want a note template, then you can get one of those. And then after you watch the video and take your notes, there are a few little check for understanding questions down at the bottom. So be sure that you do those before you move on. For DIY 2, it is looking at some practice activities. So you will go through the slideshow and it'll give you instructions on all of your different activities. There's 8 choices. You need to choose 5 of them to demonstrate balanced and unbalanced forces. And then it will give you instructions for each of those activities and you'll record your data into your journal. Okay, so that's what you've got going on for today. Should be easy peasy. I think y'all have been learning about forces for years and years and years. So it should be a good day. For tomorrow, you're going to have your science curriculum assessment, and I will have instructions posted for that first thing tomorrow. You will take it in Polaris, just like you did last time around. So it'll have login information and instructions for how to get to your tests. So that'll be the only thing that you have on your agenda for tomorrow. We're going to take it easy on you guys. It will have some questions about chemistry and it'll have some questions about physics. So y'all got this. You got a good handle on it. So I've got confidence in you guys. And just as a reminder for Transformation Tuesday, progress is progress. Recognize what you've accomplished, reward yourself, don't compare yourself, love yourself, and always, always keep going. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Even though I'm not on Zoom today, if you need some help, just send me a message and I'll be there for you as quick as I can. See you guys later.